In this video, you'll learn how to automate meeting notes using Notion AI. This process will streamline your note-taking and enhance your productivity during meetings. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can either sign in or create a new account if you do not have one. After accessing your Notion account, look for the Notion AI option in the left sidebar. It is usually labeled clearly as Notion AI. Click on this option to access the AI features that will assist you with your meeting notes. Next, you will see a text input area. Here, type the command, make a meeting notes. This phrase instructs Notion AI to prepare meeting notes for you. Ensure that you enter this command accurately to receive the desired output. Once you have entered the command, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action submits your request to Notion AI. You may notice a brief loading indicator as the AI processes your input and begins generating notes. After a moment, you will receive a confirmation that Notion AI has created your meeting notes. This may take a few seconds depending on the complexity of the content and the speed of your internet connection. Now, locate the newly created meeting notes entry labeled Meeting Notes, the 3rd of February 2026. Click on this link to view the detailed notes that Notion AI has generated for you. This step ensures that you are accessing the correct document for further modifications. Upon opening the notes, you will have the option to customize the content. Click on the Add Cover button to personalize the appearance of your meeting notes. This feature allows you to enhance the visual appeal of your notes. After adding a cover, proceed to add any additional details to the meeting notes. This can include action items, decisions made, or any other relevant information. Personalizing your notes will make them more useful for future reference. Once you've finished updating the notes, look for the Share button, usually located at the top right of the interface. Clicking this will allow you to share the notes with your team or stakeholders as needed. Next, click on the General Access option to adjust the sharing settings. This will enable you to control who can view or edit the notes. Finally, change the access setting from Only Me to Anyone with the link. This adjustment ensures that anyone who needs access to the meeting notes can view them without requiring additional permissions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.